Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The innovative crypto investment platform Uholder has realized its latest offering, the dual asset program, which allows anyone to leverage their digital assets for a win-win scenario. The best part of the service is that, unlike other DeFi and crypto investment platforms, the Uholder service is easy to use, and even novice investors can participate in the profitable strategy. Dual asset: how it works. Dual assets, commonly known as dual currency deposit (DCD) in the traditional finance world, is not a new service, even in the crypto sphere. However, what a philosophy of making investment easy. Uholder offers its dual asset offering in the most simplistic manner. The Uholder dual asset service consists of supported crypto paired with a stablecoin. Each pair will have its entire list, such as the pair itself and the estimated range of profit per plan. Uholder user can partake in through a three-step process. Deposit the cryptocurrency of the select coin. Select the operated crypto stablecoin pair. Select the preferred plan ranging from 12 hours to 7 days with profits up to 365% APR. Depending upon the plan and the settlement price, Uholder will calculate the estimated yield you will receive at the end of the plan. Once the time is up, Uholder will look at the price of the asset and the strike price determined at the end of the plan. The result is either of the two situations. The strike price is higher than the initial price. If a user had deposited cryptocurrency, the original asset along with the yield generated will be deposited in their wallet in the form of the stablecoin. If the market spot price is less than the initial price of the asset, users will still receive their original investment, but receive the yield in the shape of the asset itself. Looking at these two scenarios, no matter what the situation is, the investor always receives more than their principal amount, creating a sure shot profit situation. Why dual asset offering is a better option? Today, there are tons of different crypto investment services available. Some offer extremely high returns, while some others can be too complex for a average person to comprehend. Uholder, on the other hand, offers its dual asset service that is far superior to others. First, investors can use their ideal asset to work from them. Instead of sitting inside wallets and not generating any yields, these assets are put to good use. Secondly, Uholder generates profits from market yields rather than depending on unsustainable farming. Lastly, no matter what the situation is, you make profit. Even if the strike price is lower and you are return your asset, which is now worth less than before, you still gain yield on it. It is similar to buying the dip, as now you hold more asset quantity than you had to begin with, allowing you potential profit when the asset value will rise. And you the first Uholder service. Uholder already offers a wide portfolio of wealth generation service the user can put to good use. The universal mobile apps allow a user to buy, sell, exchange crypto without the complex network commonly found in different exchanges. You earn a future to gain as much as 8% APR and stablecoin with weekly payouts then can be compounded. Users can even create a combination of services as they see fit, with a portion of their portfolio dedicated to saving and the rest for dual asset investment, generating profits all the way. Along with new experience, Alpha Season 3 has treated interoperability with support for external avatars, feature holders with service guarded reward, and top player on the leaderboard will get Haxen rewards. Here's what we know about upcoming season. The biggest season of the Sandbox will include single and multiplayer expenses. Players can complete quests for a toss point. To win the Alpha Prize and Sand rewards, players can take part in the raffle or climb up their leaderboard. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.